So it's been about a year since I did my review on Mailbox Power, and I'm back with an update. Find out, am I still using Mailbox Power? Do I still like it? Has anything changed? And what can Mailbox Power do for you? So as I mentioned, today I am going to be giving an updated review of Mailbox Power. Spoiler alert, yes, I do still use it. I said last year that their prices were going to be going up and I wasn't sure if I was going to continue or not. And yes, I am. They've made a lot of changes. Most of them I think are wonderful, but stick around until the end of the video because there is one in particular that I don't think was a great change and I do not love it. I'll take you for a tour of Mailbox Power. I'm going to jump in there in a second, and I will also link my review from last year with the pros and cons somewhere up around here. If you want to compare that with this new review, that'll be easy access. Overall, I think Mailbox Power has done a really great job and the increase in price is justified. But let's jump in so that I can give you an updated tour of what they have to offer. So here we are right in the Mailbox Power site. I've signed in. This is what it would look like if you have a membership with them. And I'm just going to go through a couple things that they have changed. First with what I like, what they've changed, and then I'll follow up with what I think that they could do better. And then there's something they took away that I really wish they would bring back. So first up, I'm going to come in here to saved projects to give you an idea of what I'm using Mailbox Power for. And that is, we have set up for our home anniversary mailings. We do, depending on the relationship with the client, either a greeting card or a greeting card and brownies. And the way we determine what someone gets is whether or not they have referred to us in the last 2 years. If they haven't, they still get their home anniversary greeting card. But if they have, then they get brownies as well. We also track if clients have an allergy or something that would mean they do not want or don't have a use for the brownies, and then we'll change it out to something else. The main takeaway, though, from this is it's automated. That has been such a big time saver, and it eliminates the need to have to constantly be checking your CRM to determine whose anniversary is coming up and what needs to go out. It's all automated through here. So I think Mailbox Power does a really great job of that. And you can see where all of ours are going out. Also sent a little thank you gift. These in particular, I know went out to a builder that allowed me to come and tour their and film their model home. So there's so many different ways that you can use Mailbox Power. For us, the two biggest things that we use it month after month for are these home anniversary cards and gifts, and then also postcard mailers, both to our database for reminders about seasonal home maintenance and market updates. Everybody gets a custom postcard with a market update for their neighborhood quarterly. And then also postcards sending out to a neighborhood that I farm here in Alexandria. And talking about the gifts are one change that Mailbox Power has made in terms of their offerings. And I think that they have done a really good job with what they have added in. But I will say, I wish they would add in some more food options. And I know that, this isn't a food company or anything like that, but it would be nice to just have a few more options here. Lots of sweets, as you can see, cookies, brownies, blondies, different things like that. But they could add a little bit more, I think. And I'm going to come show you all. These are more like candy and treats, give you an idea of what they offer. They do have some healthy options. I think that's a win as well. Granola, chocolate covered sunflower seeds. You have some different, gummy piglets, gummy sours, Boston baked beans, cherry sours, caramel popcorn, Swedish fish, gummy mix. This is a fun one if someone has kids or really just loves jelly beans. I've sent that one before as well. And then you've got a hot sauce option here. Let me go into one more category. to give you an idea of what they offer. You can see all along here on the left side, I'm going to go to journals and pens because I know one of their journals is really nice. It's one that I've sent out as well. And I've been the recipient of this laser engraved pen. I use it all the time. So this is the journal that I wanted to point out. I haven't seen the engraved suede journal, but I haven't seen the full laser engraved suede journal. I have the laser engraved suede journal and I've sent it to others. This is a beautiful journal. I think that the price is beyond reasonable for the quality. So you don't have to send food to your clients either, just depending on, what your relationship is. They still have the gift cards in here. That's always convenient. And then let me come back up. Let's take a look at the postcards to give you an idea. They have varying sizes. You can do, your standard 4x6, or you can do your jumbo at 5.5 by 11.5. Look at these prices. I mean, it really is so economical. And that is something that has kept me coming back to Mailbox Power beyond the automation that it offers and the different designs. That's all wonderful. But the price is so reasonable. And yes, the price did go up. That's part of the reason that I am doing this updated review. Is I said last year when I made this review that I would probably continue, but that I wasn't 100% sure. And yes, I am continuing with Mailbox Power. I think the increase in price is worth it. Let's also come down to show you the help and support. There's no reason that you cannot be successful with Mailbox Power. One, it's very user-friendly, but two, they have so many different tutorials. You can see now if you have any questions, they've got a chat set up here. So very user-friendly in terms of what they are offering for you here. And let's just come into here. Let's do view design and let's do personalized. And I want to show you this because not a whole lot has changed here. And this is not a knock on Mailbox Power because they're not Canva. They are not meant for design. The reason that I point this out is I don't design anything within Mailbox Power. I have purchased the home anniversary greeting card that I want to continue to use. That was a design within Mailbox Power that I just paid a couple bucks for. But when it comes to our postcards, I already have them designed. They're designed in Canva. So I just save the design and then I come in and upload it here. Let me see if I can just pick one. This is one that we did. This is spring maintenance, sorry. So as you can see, this was already set up. I just uploaded this earlier this year and then sent it out to those that I wanted to send it to. I did not come in and design everything because I'm going to show you the clip art. It's not terrible, but it doesn't go with my brand. It's not what I would want going out in my name. So it's just not something that I personally find all that useful. I think depending on what industry you're in, that could vary. But for me personally, we're in here so that I can show you that I am uploading designs versus doing any designing within Mailbox Power. And Canva is so easy for that. I think I pay like 13 bucks a month for Canva and it's worth its weight in gold so that I can just design everything there or have somebody else design it. Sometimes I'll buy something off Etsy too, and then just go ahead and upload it in here to Mailbox Power. Again, not a knock against Mailbox Power. It's just something to keep in mind because depending on what you're expecting, it might be a surprise when you go to log in and think you're going to make some design in Mailbox Power and maybe it's not what you were expecting. The other thing I'm going to do is come down here to the affiliate dashboard because one, it's no secret I'm an affiliate of Mailbox Power. But what I want to point out is Mailbox Power, when they made a lot of changes, They took away the free 2-week trial. I really dislike that. I wish they hadn't done that. I am a firm believer if a company really does believe in their products and trust that the value is there, they shouldn't be worried about giving some type of short free trial. I don't know why Mailbox Power took this away, but they did. So let's look at what they're offering now. There's different packages. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. They do have a 90-day special package now where you can get a steep discount if you sign up for 90 days with the pro account. $150 for 90 days. So by no means is $50 a month bad. But if you're looking to just try it out and not really sure if you want to use it yet or not, you probably don't want to commit to the 90 days. So I feel like it kind of contradicts. They're trying to give you some savings, but oh, you do have to commit to 90 days. I don't love that. I wish they would bring the 2-week free trial back. Also want to point out that Mailbox Power has the ability to integrate with multiple CRMs depending on what you have. You may need a Zapier account. That's how I set mine up. I live by Zaps. Zaps saves so much time, and Mailbox Power does have that capability. I don't personally use any of these other ones, but wanted to show them in case you do, and that's something that would be helpful. Mailbox Power is dual purpose as far as I'm concerned. It is one, a way to save you time and money because everything is a one-stop shop in here with being able to nurture your clients and keep in touch with them. And two, it also creates this automation, which of course also saves time, and time is money. You know, business owners, we don't have a lot of time. We want to do a good job, a consistent job of keeping in touch with our clients, but sometimes the days, weeks, maybe even months just get away from us. And Mailbox Power really fills that gap. And that's why I continue to use it in my business. These are some different designs. These are some of my favorites that we consistently use. So you can see that you can purchase designs in Mailbox Power if you'd like to, or you can, like I was speaking about earlier, go ahead and design your own in Canva or whatever program you like, and then upload them into Mailbox Power. Also want to show you just an idea of what we're doing to send out these market updates. This is one that goes out to my past clients every quarter. We have modified it a little bit so that it's not quite as busy, but we do use the personalization. Again, we don't have to type anyone's name in or anything. These placeholders will automatically grab that information from the contact that we select when this postcard is being set up to be shipped out. So big savings on time, very simple what goes out, but because it's personalized, it really does have a much better impact. And you can always adjust this. This is just filler text that Mailbox Power has in their design. I adjust this quite a bit to fit who it's going to, but it shows just how automated you can get depending on how personalized you want it to be, or if you want just everything automated. All you would have to do is put a generic message in here, but then you still got this personalization at the top here. This is the mailing list section. I'm not going to click on these because it will expose contact information, but essentially you can import or you can purchase a mailing list from Mailbox Power. Either way, these are all lists that I have imported and work from. So again, another option for automation. If I grabbed these mailing lists right out of the MLS, didn't have to pay $1 for them because that's information I pay for with access to the MLS. And I would imagine that's the same for you as well. Very easy way to start farming a neighborhood, or a lot of times it will be an upload of your current and past clients as well. If you want to nurture those relationships, you just upload your list into Mailbox Power. Birthday calendar is another good one. This will show upcoming birthdays. I'm not going to click on it because, again, it will show information of clients of mine. But I use that one a lot. I don't automate birthdays because I want it to be customized to that client. I have friendships with a lot of clients. There are beyond real estate. So the first of the month, I go in, I look at the birthday calendar, see whose birthday is coming up, and then I just set up orders for them accordingly based on the type of relationship we have. A lot of them, I know specifics about what they do and don't like. So I personally do that. I don't outsource it. I come into Mailbox Power and do it myself because I do think that is a really important piece of this. Yes, Mailbox Power can leverage your time and the automation is great. But I also think that there has to be a balance of also keeping that relationship with your clients on a personal level as well. And in addition to Mailbox Power, I still send handwritten notes a few times a year. It's, to me, it's sort of the big picture of all of these components have a space in my business. And Mailbox Power is definitely one of those, but I also supplement with other things. So there you have it. That's the latest and greatest from Mailbox Power. And yes, I am still a big fan of it, still use it every single week within my business, and I do think it's worth the money. If you have any questions about Mailbox Power or how you can use Mailbox Power within your business, feel free to drop them below. I always love hearing from you. And if you got even just a smidge of value from this video, please consider giving me a like. It always helps me out and I really, really do appreciate it. As always, until I see you on the next one, take care.